Are you gonna be able to pack the chute today?
Maybe. I've been working out.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I worked out before yesterday.
With what?
With weights.
What kind of weights?
Mom's weights.
Oh.
That bar weight, that's really heavy.
Yeah, we're out here, quick 30. Great event to go to every time. This time we brought the car. Last time we were out here, we just came to kind of hang out. This time we brought the car to try to lay down some hits. I know it's prepped well, so my goal today is to really turn it up from the line and see what the car does. See if we're able to kind of control the power and the wheelie and get out without spinning tire. And that's basically the goal for today. That, if we can get that dialed in a lot better, we can throw a boost at it and get down the road easily. So that's the plan for today, other than having fun.
2017 Hellcat, 4 going for Warhorse. See, that's not very, that's Johnson from Lake Stage driven 5.0 Coyote Mustang.
Hold that, it's mine.
Alright.
That's free lunch.
Ooh, food.
Yeah, with every quick 30, not only do you get some merch, but you also get lunch, which is like, what other event does that? I'm a big guy. I need some food. Yeah, so.
Yeah, you're gonna have to start coming to all these 30s. Yeah.
Right?
Where's your phone?
Huh?
Where's your phone?
It scraped on the left rear.
On the left rear? Yeah, it went sideways. I can hear the tires on the track. You know, whenever you lose control and you skipping, that's what I heard on the track.
Do you want me to continue recording?
Hopefully it's minimal. Huh? That's a part of it, dude. He saved the shit out of it. I could tell by the damage on the car that he saved the shit out of it, or it would have been toast, but good job to him. Well, you'll have to go check out to see if he posts it or whatever, and you know, see what it was actually like, because I bet it was a ride. But yeah, that's part of racing. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose the hard way. Felt slow. $7.9 at 174. Felt slow. We'll have to see what that boost was, and maybe we can turn it up, get some more. That mile per hour is pretty low. I don't know if it's not making the power or if it's something else, or if the boost could just be low. We'll have to check to see what we actually ran on that.
Out of it, smoke down on the big end, the chutes are out.
Yeah. It definitely laid over. It would have been a lot faster run. The 60-foot was there.
Yeah.
It was on the lick.
Yeah, right here looks like it. And then you got a hole in your oil pan.
Need a man's who's down to do anything. This is the man's right here.
Y'all disconnect the battery?
Yes, I disconnected the battery. Why is it still sparking?
I don't know, it sounded like it.
No, I disconnected both terminals just now.
I don't know when the red handles are.
All right,
Did
baby,
it?
it's
Pull
okay.
it.
This is a bad sign, guys. Real bad sign.
Did it disconnect?
The starter is in 2 pieces. Hello.
There you go.
Hello. Is that a bearing? Oh my god.
What are those?
Block pieces.
items.
They all broke?
Jeez, that starter. This is block.
If you buy one piece of merch, you get a piece of block with every order.
Every piece of merch gets a piece of block signed by yours truly. That's why it caught on fire, because the fucking starter took a trip and it basically grounded itself.
Art.
See the starter?
Bro, what the fuck? Bro, oh my god.
Grab that starter piece, give it to him.
Hey, y'all think it's rebuildable? Take it to AutoZone and be like, hey, I need the rest of my starter.
I need a warranty.
Jesus.
No rod taking out?
Cut that little wire. Oh yeah, bro.
Oh, where's it at? I didn't see a rod. Well, it's not out.
It's still stuck. Bro, the whole fucking, it's annihilated.
On that side?
Oh,
Come
yeah.
peek in on this side.
Yeah, come look over here and see. It definitely seemed like he was messing with,
Messing with the shifter.
shifter. Trying to get it again.
Forward, not back. Forward,
Yeah.
because it's a power gun.
Yeah.
Mr.
Raceway Park. It's gonna be a while since we're back here running with the car, but big shout out to Texas Speed Syndicate for putting on Quick 30. It was a blast. Sucks that we broke, but it is what it is. Obviously, we're going to have some work ahead of us. Pull the engine. I guarantee 100% of it is fucking gone. I don't think there's anything usable on that thing. And revamp and figure out what we're gonna do as far as replacing it. Should I put a 5.3 in, come out Texas 2K and roll with the 5.3? I don't think we're going to be able to afford an LSX back in it on top of having to rebuild the transmission and all that stuff. Or should I just go ahead and bite the bullet and begin the next phase, the new car that I've been storing, waiting for all the upgrades on that car. Question. The Bullet 2. So we don't know. Maybe leave your comment down below what you think, and thank you everyone for supporting as always. It's not the end. We'll figure out what to do. More content coming, obviously, and we'll go from there. Anything else
Yes.
you want to add to this disaster?
Yeah.
of a day?
You cannot replace the Bullet. If you name a new car the Bullet, then you're just a disgrace.
It's the same. It's gonna be the same car.
But still, it's not the same.
It's the same car?
It's brand new. It has not gone through as many things as it's gone through.
All right. Well, that's it for us. We're out of here.